2002 Cadillac Escalade 6.0 liter V8. It's got aftermarket cats right there and right there. And what we did is a mid muffler delete right there, really the only muffler it has. And we connected it to his existing tailpipe and existing tip right there. Big muffler. I'll show it to you guys in a second. You can see how it wides into a single. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Wow. Sound decibels? Was that 114? Yeah, 114. Yep, going back it up. Did you guys hear it on the inside? He's happy.